Hey guys, welcome to today's quick vehicle visionary tutorial. Over the years of reviewing Honda Odyssey minivans like this model that I borrowed from my friends here at Holmes Honda in Shreveport, Louisiana, a lot of people have commented about how nice it is to be able to remove the middle seat in the middle row and then slide these driver and passenger side seats back and forth, changing the configuration and allowing you to really do a lot of different things you wouldn't be able to do otherwise. But it would be so much better if you could remove all three seats. Well, guess what? You can, and I'm going to show you how to do it today. It's very easy to do in principle. Now, I will be honest, that middle row seat is somewhat heavy. If you think that's heavy, wait until you try to remove these outer seats on the driver and passenger side. You might want to enlist some help to try and get that done. Unless you go to the gym regularly, then it's probably not a problem for some folks. So here's how easy it is. This middle latch right here, you're going to pull up on that and lower the seat down first. So the seat back needs to fold forward. And then this front latch right here, all you're going to do is pull that. See how the seat slides or moves forward like that? That's very, very easy to do. Here's the hard part. I'm going to pull this out of here. And as you can see, there we go. I have removed that seat. You can do that with both sides, and now you've maximized your cargo space by not only being able to lower those magic stowing rear seats, but removing all three here in the center as well, making this van what I call potentially the ultimate multitasker. Thanks for taking the time to watch, guys. I appreciate you for giving me the opportunity to give you a vision for your next vehicle. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.